Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a Squarespace SEO optimization tutorial. I'm going to thoroughly walk you through all the key steps that you need to take to maximize your Squarespace site's SEO and organic rankings. We're going to learn how to optimize things like site speed, keyword targeting, metadata, URLs, and more. I'm also going to provide you with specific tips for optimizing Squarespace product pages. Implementing these practices will help you drive more qualified traffic and sales from search engines over time, so be sure to stick around until the end of this video to get all of the pro tips for ranking your Squarespace site higher. One of the most basic but important things you need to do is to submit your Squarespace site to Google and Bing so they know it exists. And here's how you can do that. First, we want to register our website with Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. This signals to Google and Bing that your site is ready to be crawled and indexed. After registering, you need then to submit a sitemap. Squarespace automatically generates a sitemap for you at your domain.com/sitemap.xml. In both Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools, enter the sitemap URL and the sitemap section so they can discover all of your site's pages. Completing this step is the foundation for getting your Squarespace site to start ranking. Secondly, site speed. Site speed is a ranking factor. Google gives preference for faster loading sites, so you need to optimize the page load times. And here are some tips to speed up your Squarespace site. You want to enable caching in settings and performance. This stores pages in memory, allowing faster retrieval. Also, minimize use of custom web fonts. Each font is an extra resource that must load. Compress images with tiny PNG or Squarespace's built-in tool. Smaller image file sizes load faster. You also want to limit external scripts like chat widgets that increase the load times. And you can turn off any unnecessary page animations under Style and Design settings. After that, you want to check your page load speeds with Google Page Speed Insights and aim for scores above 90 out of 100 on mobile and desktop. The faster your Squarespace pages load, the better chance you have of ranking high in search results. In order to rank, you need to optimize your site for keywords that people actually search for. This requires keyword research. Effective keyword research gives you three critical pieces of data: the keywords and phrases people search for related to your business, the monthly search volume for those keywords, and the difficulty of ranking for each keyword. This allows you to identify the sweet spot keywords that have high search volume but also reasonably difficult to target. I recommend using tools like SEMrush or Google's Keyword Planner for thorough keyword research. Take your time to compile a list of profitable, high-potential keywords to guide your content strategy. Another thing we need to cover is the page titles. This is what shows up in search listings, which is very critical for both user click-throughs and search rankings. For the best practices for Squarespace's page titles, you want to put your target keyword first. This gives it more weight. Keep the titles concise, which is around 60 characters max, and create unique titles for each page. Also, never forget to always include your brand name. To edit your homepage title in Squarespace, go to Marketing and then hit SEO. For other pages, edit the page, click the settings, go to SEO and edit the SEO title format. So take the time to optimize every page and product title. This greatly impacts click-throughs and conversions. Next up, instead of using just bold or large text for headings, use proper HTML header tags such as H1, H2, H3 tags. Search engines use headings to better understand your content structure and serve users. Plus, headings make your content more accessible for those using screen readers. To add headings in Squarespace, click into a section of text and select heading 1, heading 2, etc. Use H1 for your page's main heading and then H2 for subheads, etc. Also, avoid skipping levels like from H1 to H3. Take a few minutes to add proper headings throughout your Squarespace pages and blog posts. You also want to ensure unique page titles and descriptions. So in adding new pages or products in Squarespace, avoid duplicating the titles and descriptions from existing pages word for word. Search engines want to see unique original titles and meta descriptions for each page. So always take a few extra minutes to customize these elements even if you start with an existing page as a template. Don't be overly redundant. Google also recommends using clean, simple URL structures. Some best practices are to shorten your URLs, which are better than the long, complex ones. Separate words with hyphens rather than underscores and avoid excessive dynamic parameters. You want to target keywords in your URLs where possible. And to edit a Squarespace page URL, open the page editor, go to Settings, URL, and enter your unique custom URL. If you change an existing URL, redirect the old one to the new one so you don't lose any SEO value. Also, don't change URLs for pages that are already ranking well. This can reset the social shares to 0. Next, you want to publish high quality blog content. Having an active blog is hugely beneficial for SEO and traffic growth. Make sure to consistently publish in-depth, high-quality blog posts related to your product and industry. Optimize these posts for buyer keywords, promote them on social media, and link to them internally on your site. So in short, a regularly updated blog helps boost your Squarespace site's organic search presence. Following these tips will help you drive more organic traffic and conversions over the long run. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this provides a thorough overview of how to approach SEO for Squarespace. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.